Hi everyone, Searing Frost here. Today we're going to dig into the Python grab bag and pull out virtual environments. Virtual environments are a way of isolating specific Python resources for a project. Virtual environments have their own Python interpreter, pip, and installed libraries. Virtual environments can be activated and deactivated on the command line or terminal. This allows you to work on projects that need certain defined resources. We'll be using Bash, which will work on Linux or Mac. I've linked my blog post and the Python virtual environment docs in the description if you need Windows instructions. Virtual environments can be created anywhere on the file system. A reasonable location is a virtual environments directory in your home directory. Let's create our virtual environments directory and change to it. Now we will create a virtual environment named Searing Frost using the virtual environment module. This module is packaged with all recent Python versions. Searing Frost is now a directory that contains several other directories. The bin directory contains the script to activate the virtual environment. All we need to do is run source bin activate. Once the virtual environment is activated, the terminal will show Searing Frost in parentheses on the prompt. To leave the virtual environment, just use deactivate. The virtual environment has its own pip that you can use to install libraries. Let's see what's installed by default with pip list. If we install a new library, it will install only to the virtual environment's site packages, not system-wide. Let's install NumPy. Pip has added it to the Searing Frost virtual environment site packages. Now that we have a version of NumPy, we need to share it with a requirements.txt file. A requirements.txt file for the project related to the virtual environment can be created easily with pip freeze. Package the requirements.txt with the project source code so everyone on your project can install the same version of libraries. Thanks for watching this video on virtual environments. Virtual environments will come up often when working on larger projects with other people. It's important to understand how they work in order to work effectively in groups. Links to my blog post on virtual environments and the video commands are in the description. I'll see everyone next time.